Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how to fix your Samsung Frame TV which is showing no signal with Fire Stick HDMI. So here's a guide for your input which is not working. Fix 1, you need to confirm your Fire Stick power and right source. Ensure the Fire Stick is fully plugged into power and turned on. Press home on your remote, select connected devices and then go to sources. Confirm the chosen source matches the physical HDMI port used. Fix 2. Unplug and reconnect HDMI cable ends. Unplug and reconnect all connections one cable at a time from both the ends. From the frame TV, check the cable at the one connect box end as well. After reconnecting, power cycle the Fire Stick to reset the connection. Fix 3. Reseat the one connect cable. The frame TV routes all HDMI signals through a separate proprietary cable. Unplug the one connect cable from both the box and the TV ends. Firmly reset both ends until they click fully into place. Fix 4. Try a different HDMI cable. Swap in a different HDMI cable between the Fire Stick and the box. Avoid non-certified cables. Always use a cable thinner than 0.66 inches. Use a high-speed HDMI cable if streaming in 4K resolution. Fix 5. Run Samsung's HDMI cable test. Go to Settings and then select Support. Then go to Device Care. Select Self-Diagnosis and then select HDMI Troubleshooting. On to 2022 plus models, find all settings and then select Support. Then go to Self-Diagnosis and select HDMI Cable Test. If the test indicates a cable failure, repeat the HDMI cable immediately. Fix 6. Reset AnyNet Plus, which is nothing but HDMI CEC settings. Go to Settings, select General, and then select External Device Manager. Select AnyNet Plus, which is your HDMI CEC. Turn AnyNet Plus off. Wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. Rescan for devices or power cycle the TV to re-establish the connection. Fix 7. Update the Samsung Frame TV firmware. Update the TV system software to resolve active signal problems. On 2022 plus models, go to All Settings, select Support, and then select Software Update. Then go to Update Now. On earlier models, navigate to Settings and then select Support and select Software Update. Fix 8. Run a picture test or factory reset. Go to Settings and then select Support. Select Self-Diagnosis. Then start Picture Test. If the test image displays correctly, the problem is with the connection. If needed, reset the TV via Settings. For that, go to General and Privacy. Select Reset. So the default pin would be 0000. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.